런던의 화창한 오후.
Look, I'm not saying I'm getting married just so we can see you again.
친구의 결혼 축하 파티에 참석한 여자들.
Crazy. Way too long.
이 여자의 이름은 캣 브라이언트.
How's it going with the comedy? So someone said that you're teaching?
You're a teacher.
No. I'm not like a teacher. I'm just doing it for right now.
가난한 코미디언으로 살아가며 즉흥 연기를 가르치고 있습니다.
And you all look so perfect and professional and just.
하지만 그녀의 친구들은 모두 성공한 커리어 우먼들.
You know, if you need money, we can always lend you.
Oh, no. I'm fine. I'm going to be rewriting my solo show.
Babes, you're obviously crazy talented, and we're just worried that the world is never going to see what we see.
그들은 캣을 안쓰러운 시선으로 바라봅니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, Count Bryant!
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I'm Pat. I coach improv here, which.
하지만 그녀에게는 연기 선생으로서의 재능이 있는지.
Taking us to Soho House.
Thank you for everything, Kat. You are an amazing teacher.
You're the best.
그녀의 지도를 받은 사람들 대부분은 모두 성공의 길을 걷고 있었습니다.
Write your name.
Marlon Swift. Would it be okay if I went a bit off piste? I always find improv helps me find the truth of a character.
Yeah, sure.
이 남자의 이름은 말론 스위프트, 배우 지망생입니다.
It's impossible, Jennifer. Impossible to be in a body that won't give you what you want. This isn't about you. I want you so much, but my body.
Sorry, I think, Marlon, maybe just one on script.
하지만 오디션에 맞는 연기를 하지 않고 자신이 추구하는 연기만을 고집합니다.
I can't do this anymore, Terry. I want proper work.
Says the pizza night.
I didn't spend 3 years at drama school to end up selling frozen dinners.
Plumb the depths of the human condition.
Feedback's always the same. They don't buy you as the intense guy who's seen horrors.
Terry?
So the boner pill guys tell me you went full Daniel Day-Lewis? Marlon, this actor you're trying to be. Sorry, but you don't have it in you. I think maybe it's time we parted ways.
결국 연기에 재능이 없다는 소리까지 듣게 되고
Fine.
현재는 광고 모델이나 홍보 피에로로 활동하고 있는 인물이죠. 그리고 또 한 사람.
And I said, well, who? Me or the mugs who shorted the stock? It's like, please take stock of how shit you are. Or like,
사회성이 결여돼 보이는 IT 회사의 직원인 휴.
on knowledge about the situation. Just don't make mistakes.
So, hang on. What did you do when they asked about day trading?
Oh, I said, fuck off.
Hugh, did you update that server?
Oh. Fuck off.
동료가 하는 말을 복사해 상사에게 컨트롤 V를 시전합니다.
And this isn't the first time we've had to talk about your soft skills. Look, Hugh, keep in your lane.
Hugo!
Oh, it's Hugh. Quick one, yeah? Just heading out for a pint. Wondered if you're free. Me? Yeah, God, sure. Yeah, of course. Oh, sweet. Would you mind popping over to my desk and sorting out the tangled wires and shit? Cheers, mate. Thanks.
동료들과는 술 한 잔도 못 해본 신세였고 자신의 사회성을 키우려면 어떻게 해야 할지 항상 고민하는 인물입니다.
Because when you're on that stage, there are no mistakes. Only opportunity.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. You here for class? Oh, that's great. Let's get you to jump in with Marlon.
I was just working on my character, maybe a war veteran.
이 세 명의 인물들은 모두 직업적으로 좌절감을 느끼고 있었죠.
Thanks, Kat. See you next week.
Signed up to the rest of the class. So I was just trying to improvise something around the word class.
I would enforce it.
그러던 어느 날
Done a great job with this lot.
경찰인 빌링스 경사가 캣을 찾아옵니다.
I don't know what your availability is like, but I'm looking to work with someone just like you.
Oh, are you like an agent, producer?
Detective Sergeant. It's a programme the Met have been running for the last year, using improvisers for low-level stings to bust counterfeiters, unlicensed bookies, you know, that kind of thing.
그는 함정수사팀에 투입될 배우를 찾고 있었습니다.
In fact, I've been watching you for a while now. You'd have backup, so it's negligible risk.
So is this like a volunteer thing?
£200 a pop. Each.
Each.
Operatives work in threes. Your call who to bring in.
돈이 필요했던 캣. 결국 그의 제안을 받아들이게 됩니다. 이후 배우를 물색하던 그녀. 사회성 연기를 배우려는 휴와 연기지망생 말론. 그녀의 눈에 두 사람이 들어오게 됩니다.
200 each. And we'd be doing a public service.
I don't know, I got into improv to help my character work, not the cops.
This is character work. Hugh? You in?
Gets your blood pumping just saying the word, doesn't it?
Can you imagine the stories you can tell at work once you've done stings for the police?
그녀는 둘에게 다가가 함께하자고 제안합니다.
What do we think of a costume?
그렇게 전혀 어울릴 것 같지 않은 세 사람의 특별한 팀이 탄생하게 됩니다.
Right, super simple. There's been a citywide uptick in the sale of counterfeit cigarettes. We've got intel. The shop down the road is in on it. Paid him a visit. Ask for something more affordable. That's a code phrase. And buy a brick and leave.
그들은 첫 번째 임무를 맡게 되는데
Take this. Call me before entry, so I can get them on tape.
그들의 임무는 위조 담배를 판매하는 가게를 조사하는 일.
What character are you bringing in?
I don't think we need to bring in characters.
Maybe a single mum desperate because she can't afford a Marlboro Reds.
Sure.
And I'm your brother.
Right.
In-law. A cobbler who got addicted to the shoe glue and lost it all on the back streets of Manchester.
That got dark.
That's cobbling.
Follow my lead, okay? Title, easiest 200 quid ever.
은밀한 거래를 위해 잠입하는 세 사람. 빌링스 경사와의 통신을 위해 전화를 연결하는 캣.
It's freezing outside.
What can I get you?
I think this is cold. Try winter in Manchester.
뒤이어 그들의 첫 번째 작전이 시작됩니다.
You know him?
Brother-in-law. Wish I didn't. Can I get some smokes?
Camel, Marlboro. Sorry, cat. You guys all together?
That problem, lad?
We're looking for something more affordable.
Anything else?
Even more affordable.
Something spicy, I hear? A bit of weed?
We look like the sort of melts that get high on baby food.
How do I know? You're not copies.
밑바닥에 건달로 위장한 말론.
Ask again, I'll take your tongue out your head.
You heard the man.
Buying to sell?
Smarter than you look.
Fucking idiots.
세 사람은 자연스럽게 거래 현장으로 따라갑니다.
Buying in bulk. I've pleaded with him.
Weapons in a box.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
곧이어 중견 범죄 조직원 플라이를 마주하게 됩니다.
Buyers, eh? He looks like a fucking accountant.
He's already into the city crowd. Got his start in securities fraud, then pivoted to after-hours supply when regulators got wise.
First name terms with every CEO in London. They call him the Squire.
즉흥적인 상황 속에서도 능숙하게 배경을 지어내는 세 사람.
The Yank.
Had to get out of Chicago.
Oh, too much heat.
Not enough.
Oh.
Sick of the small time.
So you're big timers. How come I've never heard of you?
We're only off patch because we had some bad shit that went down. We need a new supply.
Small operation. Targeted market.
플라이는 그들의 연기에 완전히 속아 넘어갑니다.
Shush.
잠시 후 범상치 않아 보이는 여자가 물건을 들고 등장합니다.
Albanian hookup. Got a good rate. If you follow. So I need a gun. 3 bricks. Call it 50k. Who's your nose? Squire? Come on.
결국 할 줄도 모르는 테스트를 진행하게 되는데
I don't really do it the whole kind of key thing.
Little Lord Fauntleroy wants a proper line.
Oh, thank you very much. That's
Happy days?
How do we know the rest ain't flour?
Go on.
no, that's definitely not flour, is it? That is cocaine. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
그때
You take our coke?
플라이의 라이벌 알바니아 조직원들이 들이닥칩니다.
Where's the rest?
알고 보니 플라이는 그들에게서 훔친 코카인을 급히 처분하려 했던 것이죠.
That's our coke. They didn't steal from you. They're buying from us. Let them go.
And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, no, that's a bit disrespectful.
This is not my beef. But if you're looking to buy, your competition here just offered us 50s.
I'll give you 60.
Call it 80 or fuck off.
What?
Make me feel alive.
So good to feel alive, like really buzzing and light and connected on the cellular level.
즉흥 연기로 상황을 수습하는 세 사람.
Shut the fuck up! tigim sa na changkain.
Yeah, it's all there.
Fuck you!
그들은 간신히 위기를 넘깁니다.
He sold him back his own coke! If your bad batch spooked your customers, there's work for you here. I could do with people to think on their feet, you know?
임기응변에 감명받은 플라이는 이들을 영입합니다.
All you had to do was buy the cigarettes.
작전이 끝났다고 생각해 빌링스를 찾아갔고
Fly could have killed you. But he didn't. You have to go back in.
What?
He could infiltrate his crew.
하지만 위장 수사를 계속하라고 요구하는 빌링스.
We almost died.
I think I still might.
This could be huge for you. Improv comics take down criminal empire. How many times have you been made to feel like a nobody? I saw what you could do. Oh, you want the world to see?
인정받았다는 기분에 들떠 또다시 임무를 맡게 됩니다.
Penetrating Fly's gang takes you well beyond the remit of this program. You go in deep cover. The only person who knows your real identities is me. Now, the rules of undercover policing are simple. Never break character. We need info on Fly's next supply deal.
Fly's back there.
그들은 곧장 플라이를 다시 찾아갑니다.
It's the city slickers. Wondered if you'd shop.
Yeah, we're gonna close up shop for a while.
Lay low. Well, there's nothing really doing right now. But this prick owes me 20 grand. I want you to go and shake him down.
하지만 지금은 일이 없다며 다른 일거리를 부탁하는 플라이.
So we don't actually do this.
Of course you do. Pass the test. Go deeper. Gain Fly's trust.
Maybe we should go in strapped.
Strapped Marlin, what are you talking about?
And I'm on standby in case it goes south, but it won't.
What if he doesn't pay?
I'll make him. This fox crossed me too many times.
Just ignore him. He's being method.
세 사람은 채무자의 집으로 향합니다.
Where's the fucking cash, Sega? Easy, easy.
Give us the money and we leave you in peace.
Fly, I'm good for it. Oh, so we're doing this the hard way. What the fuck? Take his dick out. Whoa, whoa.
Take his fucking dick out! Stop, stop, stop!
I have it.
돈을 받아내기 위해 협박을 하는 세 사람.
But there's something you should know.
그런데 그때
You in your house!
어이없게도 도망치다 차량에 치여 사망한 채무자.
What? Let's get this cash back to Fly.
Well, stay calm. These things happen.
No, sorry, this has never happened to me.
He chose to run. We just...
그들은 빌링스에게 상황을 보고합니다.
So get your head straight, the lot of you. I'll clean things up this end. You go back to Fly. Take responsibility for the hit. He'll trust you now.
What we got?
Hit and run. Unknown male.
하지만 현장에는 빌링스가 아닌 다른 경찰이 도착합니다.
Hi, Inspector. I'm Robin Beverly. I'm your new deputy.
The Iceman, notorious gangland assassin who's had us chasing shadows for years.
죽은 남성을 알고 있는 듯한 모습의 도스경이.
And then he gets mowed down by some random drunk.
집 안으로 들어간 그는 침입자의 흔적을 발견합니다.
He was chased. Persuasive ones.
Twisted.
Neighbours saw three figures standing over the body, taking pictures of it and talking to it.
Who are these psychos?
A red-headed woman, a thug in an army jacket, and a smartly dressed South Asian male.
No one in town would dare go after the Iceman. These guys are different.
He wouldn't pay. Tried to run.
한편 채무자에게 돈을 받아내고 그의 죽음을 직접 확인한 플라이.
You eyes the Iceman.
The Iceman?
Sago was a hitman. In his prime, he was one of the best. Check you with the real deal. And clearly you are.
So, you giving us a when and where for the Major League shit? Maybe we should go work for the Albanians.
When the next shipment firms up, you'll know about it.
Yeah, that'll.
그는 이 세 사람의 능력을 다시 보기 시작합니다.
It's my birthday. Because tonight we're going fucking big.
플라이에게 신뢰를 얻은 세 사람.
Happy birthday, boss.
So how'd you get in the game anyway? You?
I've got bodies buried in 15 states. I don't really do backstory.
What about you, Squire?
Well, I worked somewhere where people treated me like shit.
Banker scam.
How about you, Fly?
I left home when I was 14. That's fine. I'll make my own way in the world. So my little girl never has to go through all the shit that I had to.
You have a daughter?
She's in Portugal. It's a different life.
그들을 믿게 된 플라이는 자신의 이야기를 공유합니다.
I don't really like people knowing about her. Metcalf,
Who's Metcalf?
the boss. He wants to talk with all of us. When we get in there, don't talk to him.
플라이는 자신의 보스인 맥커프에게 그들을 데려갑니다.
What a wonderful game, eh? And tell me, how many other games are suitable for teaching important truths about the human condition? Order is delicate.
그렇게 세 사람은 맥커프를 처음 마주합니다.
I heard you pensioned the Albanians, and then with the help of the Three Stooges here, sold it back to him. Until they ran it through their labs and found out it was theirs.
How'd you know?
I'm in business with him. I was brokering a deal to make them my exclusive coke people. My phone calls are not being answered, and I found out it's because it... Who the fuck are they?
They're legit. They did in the Iceman.
Oh, a pensioner could barely do up his own shoelaces. Whoop-de-fucking-do.
I fucked up. I'll talk to the Albanians.
You'll find me a new supply, eh?
알바니아와 거래가 끊긴 맥커프는 새로운 지시를 내립니다.
Oh, you never seen a rat before?
Pull us out. We're done.
Got deeper in 2 days than we've managed in 2 years. You can't quit now.
He just killed someone right in front of us.
Tell him I need a gun.
I'm escalating this end. Full tactical unit on standby.
새로운 공급처를 찾으라는 지시를 받게 된 플라이.
Metcalf wants a new supply. Someone we know, Stratford Ways, had a shipment coming.
Kailash.
Yeah.
What's the deal with Kailash?
Let's just say we have history. So you're going to do the deal. You have a little taste. And if it's good, you buy the lot.
자신들과 사연이 있던 프랑스 조직과의 거래를 부탁합니다. 그 시각 사건을 조사하던 도스 경위.
You're going to want to take a look at this. It's from surveillance.
Hello, Skender. Goes into Flies, comes out in one piece. So does Fly. It was a sit down. That makes no sense. They hate each other. Nobody could make them.
Are they in charge?
They execute the Iceman to make a statement, then broker a deal between two rivals to let everyone know that they're the new top boy.
CCTV 사진에 그들이 등장하자 그들을 전문 범죄자로 오인합니다.
These guys are not just guns for hire. They're pulling the strings.
잠시 후 프랑스 조직원과 마주하는 세 사람.
What?
We're buyers.
How much you want?
What are we talking? Colombian? Bolivian?
Nitro, innit?
Nitro?
Nangs. Laughing gas.
하지만 코카인이 아닌 웃음가스를 판매하는 K. 세 사람은 당황해합니다.
We need coke.
We ain't got no coke, just nangs.
Is that even illegal?
Not to possess, just to supply.
Honestly, these dickheads are chatting like feds. Are you not feds?
Well, the Fed have this.
K는 그들의 정체를 의심하기 시작합니다.
What are you saying?
하지만 분위기는 험악해지기 시작합니다.
Saying we're here for Class A's, not party balloons. So unless you've got something serious to share, we'll leave you pricks to your fucking sleepover.
그 순간 K의 칼날이 그의 얼굴을 베어버립니다.
What are you saying now? What are you saying now?
Here's what I'm saying now. It's a fucking grenade, guys!
절체절명의 위기에 빠진 세 사람.
We're done, yeah.
그때 빌링스가 나타나 그들을 구합니다.
Finally!
Where's the coke? Nangs.
물건을 확인하는 빌링스.
What the fuck's this? Where's the money?
Here, Jesus Christ.
That's it. Thought this was big.
It's just a taste.
Fucking hell!
하지만 캣은 무언가 이상함을 느낍니다.
Where's the tactical unit?
Now get out of here. I've got to clean this lot up.
We're not putting our lives on the line for a dirty cop.
사실 빌링스는 거대한 한탕을 노리는 부패한 경찰이었습니다.
Oh, you want out, do you? Go back to comedy like there's no dead body in the morgue.
Working for you.
They don't know that. You need cover. As far as they're concerned, you work for Fly. Fucking idiots. And they sent you back in to pay for my retirement.
그들은 자신들이 이용당하고 있었다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
So, until I see a real payday, you're staying in. Fuck off. All the files that ID you as legitimate moles are encrypted. Right here. Go ahead, take it.
궁지에 몰리게 된 세 사람.
So we understand each other. I'm getting what I need. And until then, if I say jump...
그런데 그때 그들을 미행하던 쇼시가 개입하여 빌링스를 살해합니다.
Fucking cops.
다행히 이들의 대화를 듣지 못한 쇼시.
Let's get him out of here.
쇼시는 빌링스의 시신을 맥커프에게 가져가며
I had bad intel.
Unlike the piggy-wiggy here, who somehow knew to be there.
I think he was tipped. Someone's flipped.
Hunting season.
내부에 배신자가 있다고 보고합니다.
And it's any fucking time for rats, right, Fly? Right. Longer the tail, louder the squeak. Well, you go see for yourself, young man.
I've got something swinging between my legs. But it ain't no tail.
And you, young lady, obviously the brains of the outfit. And you, wee man.
맥커프는 곧바로 세 사람을 의심하지만
Stop. My guys almost died in there.
플라이는 그들의 편을 들어줍니다.
Oh? Oh.
그때 빌링스의 휴대폰을 발견한 맥커프.
He only ever called one number. Phone's out.
그는 배신자를 찾기 위해 전화를 걸기 시작합니다. 다행히도 미리 배터리를 분리한 덕분에 위기를 모면합니다.
I'll find the rat.
하지만 들키는 건 시간 문제였죠.
Cops' phones at an electric shop in Tottenham Hale getting hacked. So, we'll know grassed on us soon enough. So where am I dropping you guys?
Up here's fine.
Stay. I want to show you my place.
두 사람은 빌링스의 휴대폰을 회수하기 위해 전파상으로 들어갑니다.
We're here for the pig's phone. These fucks need to hand it over. Metcalf's orders.
First I've heard.
Call up Metcalf so you can explain to him that you're in charge now.
Upstairs.
캣이 휴대폰을 찾는 사이
Saved yourselves a lot of bother.
여전히 자신의 배역에 몰입해 있는 말론.
I'm the sickest motherfucker you ever met.
Here we go. We don't want beans. We want the pizza night. Yay! Pizza!
그때 하필이면 말론이 출연한 TV 광고가 흘러나옵니다.
That guy, he looks just like you.
That guy looks like a gnome.
캣은 휴대폰을 찾아내지만
So that's who came running. Hello, rat.
Walked right into it.
이 모든 건 맥커프가 꾸민 함정이었습니다.
Oh, you're on a roll, you are, Fly.
Could I have seen this coming?
결국 정체를 들켜버린 세 사람.
You vouch for them. They are your responsibility.
플라이에게 그들을 묻으라며 명령합니다.
Ratatouille.
세 사람을 외딴 곳으로 데려간 플라이.
It's okay.
I pushed you into it because I needed to prove to myself that I hadn't thrown my life away. How fucking stupid is that?
You might have pulled this off if it wasn't for me going too far all the time. My dad's a dentist, and I played regional cricket. I'm a pizza night.
I've just been generally shit all in a pathetic attempt to make friends. I should have just been myself. I should have worked in wine.
Get up. Up. It's what I needed too. I don't blame you trying to bring Metcalf down. The man's an animal. I might be a crook, but I'm no villain. And I'm not going to put another 3 bodies in the ground for no good reason.
그런데 그들을 처리하는 게 아닌 그들을 풀어주는 플라이.
I knew there was something up with you, Ro. For one thing, I liked you.
그들과 함께한 시간 동안 그들을 진심으로 좋아하게 된 것이죠.
You show your faces around here again, we're all fucking dead. Go. Now!
그는 세 사람에게 기회를 주기로 결심합니다.
Okay, so I found an 11:30 from Gatwick to Costa Rica.
Do we really have to leave?
새로운 출발을 위해 떠나려던 세 사람.
To do whatever we want, to go wherever we want.
What do you mean? What? We'll have to say goodbye.
Hey, Hugh, what matters most is that we're alive, right?
그때 그들을 추적하던 도스 경위가 등장해 세 사람을 체포합니다. 국내 최대 범죄자들을 잡았다며 의기양양해하지만
This is what it feels like to take down the big guys. Improv comic destroys heckler.
You believe us now? We're not criminals.
그들이 범죄자가 아니라는 사실은 충분히 알 수 있었습니다.
Fuck's sake.
Billings realized we were his ticket to a payday. That's why there's no evidence in your system.
The thing about there being no evidence being your evidence is that there's no evidence. You did it. I could charge you all right now.
Go on then, big man.
What?
He told our bosses that we were about to bring in 3 major players.
Okay. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you one chance.
Yes.
경찰은 세 사람에게 기회를 주기로 합니다.
Go to the exchange tonight wearing a wire. Get Metcalf on tape confirming his deal with the Albanians, and maybe we can talk about immunity.
We can't.
메커프의 범죄 사실을 자백하도록 만들 것.
Our cover's blown.
Then it looks like this is the end of the road for you.
하지만 이미 배신자로 낙인 찍혔던 세 사람.
We can still get the deal on tape.
이때 무언가가 떠오른 캣.
Fly's looking for a way out. He's tired of killing, tired of the game. Right now, he thinks we're undercover cops. Who are we to tell him any different?
플라이를 설득시키자고 말합니다.
We just need to talk. Okay, so here's the deal. You record Metcalf confirming the terms, and we'll take him down, the Albanians, all of them.
이후 플라이를 찾아가 그를 설득시켜보는데
Make it happen and we let you disappear. Go be with your daughter.
Turn a rat for the rats, eh?
플라이는 고민 끝에 그녀의 제안을 받아들입니다. 그리고 메커프와의 거래 현장으로 향합니다.
Okay, that's our Albanian friends and Metcalf's crew.
Fly's right there with them.
I'm so glad we could carry on without an arrangement.
Money's money.
So, a test? How much of this you fucking buying? That's my business, Fly. Just get on with it.
All units stand by.
What about the other part of our deal?
Oh, he's all yours. Sorry, Fly.
그런데 그때 플라이를 공격하는 메커프.
Send your guys in.
Not until they exchange.
They're gonna kill him.
Yeah, well, unless they exchange, I have got fuck all, and I'm not about to blow this operation. Not until we have it on tape.
Don't we need him alive?
What are we doing? Improvising!
What the fuck are they doing?
Oh my god!
결국 플라이를 구하기 위해 현장으로 뛰어든 세 사람.
Nobody fucking move!
Please! Freeze!
What? How have they got these guns? They're fake guns!
즉흥 연기를 시작하는 세 사람.
You let him go!
Why wouldn't he? We pay better.
I will end you
Right here, right now.
Stand down, Sergeant Petrides.
Inspector, why put me through sharpshooter training if you never
Because
let
I
me?
don't want a repeat of the Dutch embassy.
This is bullshit, McClary!
Wee man, you're very quiet and you look like you're gonna puke.
Because I'm imagining the slop they're going to feed you in the clink, you piece of shit. I'm your only way out of here. No, I don't care what you small fry are up to tonight. He's our star witness for much bigger players, so he's coming with us.
Why don't I just have him shoot you?
Because I won't be able to stand down the snipers ogling all of your fucking ugly forehead!
모두가 그들의 연기에 속아 넘어가는 가운데
Have we got snipers out there?
No, we've not got snipers out there.
Jesus Christ, this might actually work.
They haven't confirmed it. He hasn't actually said it yet.
Hey, out of curiosity, what do we got here? 50 kilos, 5 million quid?
You're a fucking amateur. This is half a ton for 10 million.
We got him. All units go. All units go.
그의 자백을 이끌어낸 세 사람.
Why am I thinking more and more that they're just making this up as they go along, eh?
그들을 의심하기 시작한 메커프.
The fuck?
수류탄이 아닌 폭죽을 던집니다. 동시에 경찰들이 출동하고 총격전이 벌어집니다. 그들은 플라이를 데리고 안전한 곳으로 도망칩니다.
What? That wasn't part of the plan.
맥거프가 나타나 플라이를 향해 방아쇠를 당깁니다. 위기에 처한 그 순간
I always knew you.
쇼시가 나타나 맥커프를 사살합니다.
Fly, I'm sorry.
플라이는 방탄조끼를 입고 있었기에 안전했습니다.
We got him immunity, but I think you're on your own.
You should go, Sean. You should go.
그렇게 쇼시는 도망치고
So what kind of police carry fake guns?
그는 세 사람에게 의문을 품게 됩니다.
Fake police.
So come on then. Who are you? Really?
We're improv comedians.
Well, that's fucking weird. Yeah.
감사의 대가로 돈을 나눠주는 플라이.
Good?
Yeah.
Fly touches down in Portugal this afternoon.
그리고 평생의 소원이었던 자신의 딸과 함께 살게 된 플라이.
So, cheers, basically. This shit got us promoted.
두 조직의 거물들을 잡은 도스와 부관도 승진을 하게 됩니다.
So how do you keep us safe? Do we get new identities?
Well, the challenge is to make sure that no one knows who you are. So in this case, just go back to what you were doing before.
그 후 각자의 길을 걷는 세 사람.
Just turned to my boss and said, fuck off.
휴는 직장을 그만두고 와인 가게를 운영하게 됩니다.
He said, those rats just doing what they gotta do. Late that night, so I'm drowning rats in a bucket.
Call Francis. Tell him we found our Duke.
그리고 마침내 무명 생활을 청산하는 말론.
The undercover mission.
Everybody's talking about it. You're kind of a legend.
본래 자신의 자리인 즉흥 연기 선생님으로 돌아간 캣.
I'm Kat. I'm your teacher.
그렇게 파란만장한 잠입 생활을 마친 세 사람의 모습을 끝으로 영화 딥커버는 막을 내립니다.
And